Alright guys, so still in the middle of my move, and what I'm doing is I'm picking up a trailer. For the first time ever, I've never bought a trailer before, but I'm picking it up in Eureka, Missouri. I've been looking at them for like 6 months. And so we are having movers move our stuff. Very expensive. But for the most part, they charge by the pound. And so to justify the payment of this trailer, and to offset the cost of the move, things that I can't move like refrigerator, washer and dryer, and I have a safe in the basement, I can't move that. I have to pay movers to do it. I know everyone's like, just do it yourself. It's not that easy. So I've been looking at local places, and for some reason, I don't know why, if it's virus related or not, but tons of trailers are gone from Lowe's. I think people are buying them up for whatever reason. Why are people buying trailers now? I don't know. But I went to Lowe's in Lake St. Louis and there were 0 trailers. And then I went to my local one and they used to have about 20 and they had 3. And the 3 they had were the little tiny crappy ones. I'm like, what's going on? Why are people buying trailers? I told my wife and my kid, I'm like, who buys a trailer? Because of the virus. It's kind of like they're saying, oh my god, there's a virus, we better go buy a trailer. It's like, how does that work? Anyway, lots of trailers are gone, and I found this place out here in Eureka, Missouri, and let's go check it out. I'm coming home with my trailer, and I asked him why are all the trailers gone? Like, if you go to Lowe's right now, the trailers are all either gone entirely or there's just a couple crappy ones left. He said it's because the supply has dried up. He says they come in and go just as fast as he gets them. I got a little lucky because I couldn't find any trailers until I found this one. And this is a 2019 model, even though it's 2020. And I'll take you around on a tour in a minute, but he said the manufacturing of them has slowed down and stopped because of the virus crap. That's what I call it, the virus crap. Alright, so I went with the Sure-Trac. The Lowe's ones were all out and it just didn't make sense. So some things about this: it has the support in the front, the jack I guess you call it. They put a bunch of stickers on it. Let's see. I didn't want to get those tiny little tires. I wanted to go with the bigger tires. I'm not sure exactly what size these are. Let's see. 205/75 R15. I don't know how or what or why, but they washed this off, and when I got home, it had all this weird stuff on it. Alright, so it's got a wooden base. He said that the wiring runs through this tube right here. Should give it some protection. This looks looking a little bit older. I don't know, it doesn't look like they just put those in. I might need to put some protection on that. It's got 4 of these hooks. 2 there. I wish I had some in the middle too, but I'm very happy with that. I like this step. It has some sealant in here, some caulking. Not sure why they do that. I guess, of course, to keep water out, but that's something I'll have to maintain. We'll take a look underneath here in a minute. So it does have springs on the bottom. It came with springs. This entire setup with the tire was about $2,100, $2,150. That seems to be about right. LED lights, not the old incandescent type. I'm gonna take this down here in a minute, but it does have railing. That's pretty cool. You can see the welds. I don't know how good those are. They look a little spotty. Not perfect, but obviously I'm gonna have to worry about rust because I didn't go with aluminum. Got the spare tire. I went ahead and got that. I'm gonna put a tire cover on it. The only thing I'm worried about is it could get stolen. I like that they've got reflective stickers all over the place, and there's a light there. I think it's 10 foot 5 by 10, I believe. So it's kind of narrow, but perfect for what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be moving a lot of stuff, and I thought we're going to be buying furniture also, and I won't have to pay delivery fees. So that's another reason I'm going to use this. We're going to make 2 loads from St. Louis to Oklahoma City, I think 2, and then on moving day I'm going to bring it back and make yet another load, and then we're going to have movers do our heavy stuff. You can kind of see the weld quality here. I heard good things about this brand, Sure-Trac. It seems good to me, you know. Let's take this down and see how easy it is with these springs. So to do this, it has this little pin right here. You need to match it up and then slide it out. Also has the ability to lay completely flat. That way you have to do something down here. You have to pull that pin or something out, I don't know. But it will lay flat that way. I might do that on a trek back when it's not full. But pretty happy. I'm going to take a look underneath. Looks like it's got some... I don't know if it has that lowered axle or not. I've seen that before online, but I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. It's straight across. That's alright. And it's got the triangle instead of the single piece. You can see the wiring over there. And it is crazy hot right now. I'm super happy with it.